Hello guys, welcome back. Let's see today about what are the different ways to select columns of a data frame in Spark or in Databricks. So let's create one sample data frame which I have pasted here, and let's create a data frame. Let's automate as cells data frame is equal to spark dot sorry create data frame. Just pass the data and schema is equal to columns. Okay, let's display this cells data frame. Okay, let's see the data frame. Yep, we have the data frame, right? So now let's see the different ways to select columns of a data frame. Okay, cells data frame dot select, this is the method that we'll be using. So let's see uh, order id, and then let's say product, let's one more price. Okay, so let's see, we're able to select columns from data frame. Yeah, we are able to select the columns of data frame. So what are the other ways that we can use here? So this is the most common, most default way people use. So but I'm going to show you different ways and why we should use the other ways in coming videos. Okay, sales data frame dot select, so this is the one common method. So now here we're going to treat columns like an object. So sales data frame dot order id, comma data frame dot product. So this is also another way that we can represent columns. Okay, uh, in Spark or Databricks. So let's see, let me take out, clear the output, and let's run it again. Yeah, this is the same. I'll show you one more way. If there are people here who have worked in pandas, they will love this way. Okay, select sales data frame and then order id. Yep, this way also you can product, so data frame dot price. So okay, let me clear the output before I execute it. Lovely. And if I execute it, so typically the representation of columns are can be done with these three different ways. One is putting into the inverted commas, one denoting it with the data frame dot column name, another is data frame name large bracket and then the column name. Okay, so there is one more approach which I personally love, and that is using the call function. Okay, so let's import this call function from PySpark.sql dot functions. This is the main for class where we have all the functions defined, but I'm going to use only one call. So let's import this, and let's say sales underscore df dot select. Yes, it's same thing, select. Right now just simply use the call name and just pass the column name over there. So this is very useful when we go with the little advanced analysis of data, right? We'll get to know that later as well in coming videos. Let's see this first. So let me clear the output. Let's see it. Cool. So these are the different ways, or these are the different approaches using which we can represent the column. So this is how you should be very much aware of. So different ways of representing column. Okay, and now once we know about this way, so we can use any of those ways which we are comfortable with. But let me show you few more ways to play around with selection of columns in data frame. Okay, this is the one way, and another way I would like to show you here and here using select expression. Okay, so let's see sales data frame dot select expression. So people who love SQL, right? Now for them this is going to be very easy, okay, because it takes SQLs like expressions, and then it will feel easy. So like when I say SQL like expressions, let's say if we have to rename the column is ID, right? If we see here, yeah. So this is very easy when you're comfortable with uh, SQL. So now let's go to the Spark SQL. So this is the place where SQL developer will love it. So you have a function called .sql. So it takes SQL, it understands only SQL. So select not asterisk, select order ID, comma, product, comma, price from data frame, okay, and we can say here data frame is equal to sales data frame. Now if we see this way we can use pure SQL and we will be able to query the data. So I love this approach. There we used to do another approach like registering also that approach as well. So these are the older approach. So sales data frame dot create or replace temp view, and then we can put it as a sales, and then we have to say once we have created those views, then just use SQL. Select order ID, let me comma product, comma price from sales. We can oops, from I have got mistake from sales, my bad again, from sales, yeah. So this is how we can do, but Databricks have a new approach now, so we can use direct query the data frame. So these are the few approach that we can play around with the selection of different columns in Databricks and in Spark. I hope you like this video, guys. So if you have any questions, just ping around in the comment section. I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.